get so. And if you're not totally satisfied, please let me know, honey. I understand. You put your trust. Farrah, what's up, honey? Flora, what's up, honey? Trice, what is up? Shantae, what is happening, honey? Curly, what's up, boo? No. Yeah, what is happening? Good afternoon, honey. Good evening. Cynthia, what is up, boo? Tell me what is going on, honey. Geraldine, what is up, honey? Sandra, what is happening? Catherine Crow, what's up, boo? I swear I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you, honey. I swear I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you, honey. I swear I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you, honey. I swear I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you, honey. Dramitra, what's up, boo? Sonia, what's happening, honey? I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you, honey. I swear. Curlin Jones, what's up, boo? Brenda, what's happening, honey? Harvey Ann Wayne, what is up, boo? Hold on, let me cut this music down, honey. What y'all damn ass is doing, honey? What is up? What is going on? What is happening? Gonna make this quick shrimp stir fry, honeys. What y'all damn it asses doing, honeys? Evangelist Renee Phillips, what's up, boo? Fifi, what is happening? Tequila Clayton, what is up, boo? Yeah, it is hubby song. Yeah. Nancy, what's up, honey? What y'all damn it asses doing, honeys? Nah. Sheila Mackey, what's up, boo? India, what is happening, honey? LaShawn Mosley, what is up from Maryland? Barbara Hauser, what is cracking, honey? What's up, Brenda? You said you fine, you just had surgery. You did? Today? That's what's up. You good? Teresa, what is up, honey? Kathy Cherry, what is happening? Where is everybody at, honey? Are y'all getting notified that I'm live, honeys? Anita Neat, what's up, boo? Beverly, what is happening? Checking in. Tonette Wright, what is up, boo? In my life. Watching from Albany, Georgia. Valerie, what's up, boo? Debbie, what is happening? Eartha Thomas, what is up, honey? You ain't getting notified? No? Sure? I don't know. Facebook been cutting people's notifications off, honeys. Y'all got to check your notifications from time to time and make sure y'all cut them on if they off. If they on, cut them off and cut them back on, honeys. Cut them off and cut them back on. Because a lot of people, I don't know why they doing it. They cutting them off. Nora, what's up, boo? Lisa, what is happening? All right, check one, check two, honeys. I'm going to make this quick. Shrimp fried rice, honey. Shrimp fried rice. Honey, Anthony done sent me a picture of what he cooked in the truck and made me hungry, honey. Made me want it. Did y'all see it? It looked good, honey. He made some stir fry in the truck, honey. I'm like, oh man, I gotta make me something close to it, honey. So I decided to make some shrimp fried rice. Keto style, honey. Keto style. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut up an onion. It's quick, it's easy, ain't nothing to it. Cut up an onion. And I got my shrimp. I got an onion. I got some carrots. I got some eggs. I'm gonna scramble some eggs in there. And I got some bean sprouts, honeys. Bean sprouts is low in carbs. You can eat those, honeys, if you want. I love bean sprouts. Let me wash my hands, honeys. I love bean sprouts. Bean sprouts is a good low carb vegetable, honey. Bean sprouts is a low carb vegetable that you can use. It stir fries, rice, and I love them. I do. I love bean sprouts, honey. Bean sprouts is the bomb diggity. Let me show them to you. Bean sprouts, honey. You can get anybody's damn brand. Honey, get the cheapest brand. I probably got that because it might be all they had. But for bean sprouts, honey, I will get the lowest, the cheapest can. It don't matter. Bean sprouts is bean sprouts, honey. Bean sprouts is bean sprouts, honey. So I'm going to cut up this onion. Normally, I would use a green onion if I had planned to make this and I had it. But I don't have no green onion. So I'm using regular onions, honey. I'm using regular onions. What y'all debit ass doing this evening, honey? I've been hard at it. I've been hard at it, honey. I ain't letting up on this cookbook. I am not letting up, honey. So we're going to do some onions. I already previously riced my cauliflower. The cauliflower, you can buy it in the store already riced. But I riced my own. Can y'all see it back there? My rice cauliflower is right there. I did it myself. So when you do it yourself, it's easy. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing to it. I always do it myself. Most of the time when I go in the stores, they don't be having it. It be sold out. And so I just make it myself. You saw Anthony doing this thing on the truck. You seen him baguette, honey? He did it, didn't he, honey? He did it. He still did. Chef Anthony's damn ass, honey. He's in the truck showing out. He's been in the truck showing out, honey. What he doing? I posted the picture on my page. He's in the truck showing out, honey. So I'm gonna make these onions a little more smaller. Y'all know how to do this, honey? This right here. I be trying to show you how to do it. It's so easy to do. And when you do it in front of your friends, honey, they gonna think you a damn it chef, that you went to school to be a chef, honey. Yeah. So all you gotta do is hold this right here. When you got your knife, hold this with the palm of your hand. And then you gonna do this with this side. You hold this, just keeping that still. Don't be doing nothing with this part. And this part, you raising it up and down. Boom, 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 boom. And then once you start doing it, honey, you're gonna do it fast. Boom, 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 boom. And they gonna think you the bomb diggity, honey. Yeah, they gonna think you the bomb diggity. You don't have to know shit about cooking. But when you start doing this type of shit, honey, boom, 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 they be like, wait a minute, hold up. Did you go to school? You be handling the knife, honey. You can handle the knife. Look, check 1, check 2. Boom. You know what I'm saying? That's easy, honey. What's up, Catherine Jones, honey? Yeah. Just always hold this down. You know what I'm saying? And raise up and down in a circle of motion, honey. Wherever your food is. On On your cutting board, honeys. See it, honeys? Boom. Good evening, Carrie, honey. Lucretia. What is up, Lucy? Lucy done been showing that too, honey. She done made something her and Anthony made something just alike almost. She done made a hibachi something and showed it to me. Look good, honey. Y'all out there doing y'all thing, and I'm proud of y'all for staying on the keto diet, trying to get y'all health, you know what I'm saying, in order, honeys. It's a lifestyle change. The older you get, honeys, it takes a long time to get that fat off of you. When you start eating a bunch of everything, it takes longer. Y'all know it. Look at that, honeys. We're going to scoop it up and put that in the skillet. What? The bomb diggity. Let me put my skillet on, honeys. So I got olive oil already in the skillet. Olive oil already in the skillet. We're going to do some, let me find something to do these curds with, honeys. See what I'm going to do with it. Let's do it. Can y'all see, honeys? Boom. So let's put that in there real quick. Let's get our onions in there. Scoop it up with your knife, honeys. It's easy. Look. Look. Boom. And you get to doing that, honeys, you the bomb diggity. But like I said, the older we get, the harder it is to lose weight, honeys. And so, if you want to get healthy, you know, normally when you get a lot of weight on you, it brings on more problems. Like diabetes and, you know, a lot of other things make your bones ache. You know what I'm saying? And all kind of other stuff comes along with gaining weight. We're going to put a few carrots in here. And just for color. Ain't no big deal. They ain't really like it's for flavor. Honeys. I don't want to cut my hand. But yeah, so you want to try to, you know, I try to make keto a lifestyle, but I've been doing it for years. I mean years, honeys. I always gain my weight back. You know what I'm saying? And it ain't a big deal. You know what I'm saying? I gain it back, but when I see myself gaining it, I just go hard. You know what I'm saying? So like, I raise my carbs up after after a month. You know what I'm saying? You can raise your carbs up, but if you're really trying to lose weight, try to keep your carbs under 20 grams a day, honey. That way you're gonna lose it real quick. And then once you do it and get to your weight, then you can raise your carbs up and start eating, you know, more carbs, you know, more stuff that you like. And I always tell people, like, I done made a lot of recipes that I created for low carbs by substituting different stuff. So you don't have to pride yourself in this low carb diet. You don't have to pride yourself. You can have what other people have. You just gotta change what it is. You gotta use something different, but make it what you want. Like fried rice, for example. I ain't using everything else I'm using that they use in fried rice, which is low carbs. But instead of me using regular white rice, I'm using cauliflower rice, and that makes it keto. And it's still good. It still tastes good. You know what I'm saying? And all of that. So, you know what I'm saying? With that, you can do a lot of things like it that I've changed in my diet when I'm trying to lose weight. You just substitute, honeys. You just substitute it. But once you get older, you can't keep eating all them same shit, cupcakes and all of that. You know what I'm saying? All the time. It's okay to have it every now and then. You know what I'm saying? But every day and all of that, honey, you can't be doing that, honeys. That's it. You gotta calm down. Can't do it every day. Every day you gonna gain weight, honeys. It's gonna come back on you real quick. Real quick, honeys. All right, let's see what we got going on, honeys. carrots. We got onions going on. Now I'm gonna make a small. Hopefully it's small, cause I be cooking so much food, honey. But I gotta give it away. I love it when Anthony come home because I can give it out to him. A lot of it I do give to Anthony so he can take on the truck with him. But if he ain't coming home no way soon, honey, so I have to give it to the neighbors. Because I don't eat all of it. I can't eat all of it. And I only eat so much. You know, I try to make something different out of my leftovers. When I get tired of it, I try to do something else, honeys. All right. Y'all see what we got going on, honeys? Onions. We're going to just cook them a little bit. Curds, honey. I don't feel like keep doing these damn curds because they little. That's the only curds I had. That's the only curds I had. I didn't have no big ones. So I got to do what I got to do. Make it work, honeys. That's what I do. I make it work. Honey. Do what you got to do. Do you, honeys? Do you? So we put this in here for color. So normally I would use a green onion. If you got a green onion, use a green onion, honeys. That's good in it. But if you don't, like I said, do you. I'm doing what I got. This is what I got, honeys. All right, that's it. That's what we got. I'm going to throw my shrimp in here. Well, yeah. I'll throw my do I want to throw my shrimp in here? I don't want to. I guess I better cook my eggs first. Do y'all see it? I don't know. Let me let y'all see. Boom. That's what we got going on. We're going to do some. Trina, what's up, boo? Let's do my egg. Let's move it over to the side. Let me raise this up. Maybe I can see better. There you go. All right. Move back to the side, honey. We're going to scramble an egg. Got two? I'm going to do two. I'm going to do two of them. So I got a shell in here. I got to get it out. So to get the shell out, take the shell and scrape it out, honeys. All right. This is keto with soul, honeys. Keto with soul. Keto with soul. All right. We need some candy red seasoning, of course. And I go through this shit so much, I put this on everything. Everything. Put some candy red seasoning on it, honey. Boom. A little salt. Candy red seasoning don't got that much salt in it at all. So if you use it and you need salt, you're going to have to add your salt, honey. Do this. Alright, we got that going on. Scoot that over. cut my skillet up for my shrimp. I want to cook my shrimp pretty quick. This is pink shrimp. It's called red shrimp. They look like they already done, but they not. They raw, honey. It's raw shrimp. We're gonna add some candy red on it, of course. Gotta season it, honey. What we got going on right now? Cooking the shrimp real quick. You think of me? Normal, what's up, honey? You think of me? Elizabeth, what's up, boo? What we got? Everything in one skillet, honey. You would think of me. I say a candy red season. The bomb diggity, hey, honey. The bomb diggity. Candy red seasoning. The bomb diggity, honey. Yeah. Woo, do y'all got smell-o-vision, honeys? Can y'all smell it? Smells so good. Oh, it smells good, honey. I can't take it. You would think of me. Shrimp fried rice, honey. Shrimp fried rice. Shrimp fried rice, honey. You can smell it, Teresa. Thank you, Terry Barnes, honey. So it only take just to cook on one side, flip and cook on the other side, your shrimp is done. You know what I'm saying? It don't take no whole lot to cook no shrimp, honey. So the shrimp is done. Let me get my rice. So hold your horses. Let me get my cauliflower rice, honey. Cauliflower rice. I made myself. Made it myself, honey. Ain't a big deal. Cauliflower rice. Look, I made it myself, honey. Let's put this all together. Y'all see it? Look at that. Ah, that is. Y'all take it because I can't. Look. Let me let y'all see this type of shit, honey. Margaret, what's up, boo? Sure, Judith, what's up, honey? Look at that, honey. Now all we're going to do is add our rice, our cauliflower rice, honey. All right, here we go. Let me get the rice in there, honey. So I don't want to cook my shrimp to death. I I want my shrimp to be plump. We're gonna put our cauliflower rice right in here. Cauliflower rice right there, honey. Alright. Now we're gonna do mix it in real quick. Move this out the way. We're gonna fry the rice just a little bit. Get the flavors mixed in there, honey's incorporated with the shrimp and the onion, carrots. Fry it on a high temperature, honey. So it can get kind of toasty a little bit. Put some more candy red in there, honey. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I will let y'all. Hold your horses. Boom. That's what we got going on right now. It'll get toasty. Or add a little bit. Can you get away with sleep? Mr. Rody, what's up, boo? It's raining, baby. It's cauliflower, honeys. Oh, sure. We letting it get a little toasty. We want it to get toasty so it can taste like fried rice. We got cauliflower in there, honeys. Cauliflower. Look at that, honeys. Let it toast a little bit. Linda, what's up, honey? All right, let me put this down so we can add our bean sprouts, honey. Bean sprouts. We're gonna add our bean sprouts to it. Now, we're going to add our soy sauce, honey. Soy sauce. Let me open it. They got low sodium soy sauce you can do. If you can't have salt and all of that, honey, you're going to add a nice amount of soy sauce for this, honey. Get that all incorporated. Honey, you got shrimp, fried rice that you can eat all you want on the keto, honey. You ain't gonna gain a pound, honey. You ain't gonna gain a pound. Shrimp fried rice, honey. Keto style, honey. Keto style, honey. Boom. What up? That's it, honey. Let me let y'all see it. Boom! Shrimp fried rice, honeys. Shrimp fried rice, honeys. Shrimp fried rice. Right there. That's your stuff, honeys. Shrimp fried rice. All you gotta do to make it look cute, honeys, is put... Let's throw a little... If you got green onions, use green onions. You can just throw some little... Hold on, honeys. I gotta put y'all down. Some parsley flakes on it, honeys. Make it look cute. If you got green onions, do green onions. But if you don't, do parsley. It's all good. Alright, that's it. Can y'all see it, honeys? Play with me. Play with me, honeys. So what we got? Shrimp fried rice, honey. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Alright, let's make a plate, honeys. Let's make a plate. Let's do it. Do it. Do it, Roger. Do it. Bum, 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 bum. Do it. That was quick. Easy. Nothing to that, honeys. Nothing to that. And you can eat, it's keto, honeys. You can eat all you want, when you want, honeys. All you want, when you want, honeys. Let's taste it. Let's see what's cracking, honeys. Let's see what's going on. I never dropped it. Trying to make it look cute. Try to make it look cute, honeys. Boom. Alright. What we got going on? Can y'all see it, honeys? Shrimp fried rice at home, honey. Keto style, honeys. Keto style, honeys. Yeah. Let me show you. Let me show y'all. Boom. Look at it. Play with me, honeys. Play with me, honeys. Look at it, honey. You eat this all you want, honey. While you eating this, you're going to be losing weight, honeys. You're going to be losing weight, honeys. Yeah, you're going to be losing weight, honeys. That's the deal, honeys. You're going to be, you're going to be losing weight. Let's try it and see what's happening, honeys. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what the deal is, honey. Y'all want some, honeys? I'll give y'all some, honeys. Look at this type of shit, honeys. It's hot. What up? Look. Play with me. Here, open your mouth up, honeys. Huh? Boom, honeys. Oh. was hot. You are not gonna know the difference. You gonna think you eating regular fried rice, honey. Oh my god. Let me give y'all some. Honeys. Open mouth. Boom, honeys. This shit right here, honeys. The bomb diggity. The bomb diggity. You gonna think you eating regular fried rice, honeys. I'm telling you. Make sure when you cook your rice, your cauliflower rice, that you kind of fry it a little bit and kind of toast it. You're gonna get that toasty, nutty flavor from the cauliflower, honey. It's the bomb digging. It's everything, honeys, huh? Boom. Purple heart, guys.